Good morning. I'm Bernard Nomberg with the Nomberg Law Firm. We're continuing to put out a series of videos that address various concerns dealing with the pandemic. And Governor Ivey this past week put in an amended Safer at Home order that is effective today, Monday, May 11th, and I wanted to go over some of the highlights of it. The new updates are what I'll address first, then what stays the same I'll address in the second half. The new updates: non-work gatherings. They remove the 10-person limit, however, still required to maintain 6 feet of distance in between persons not from the same household. Restaurants, bars, and breweries may open with limited table seating, 6 feet between tables, and again subject to additional sanitation rules and guidelines. Athletic facilities such as fitness centers and commercial gyms, they may open subject to social distancing and sanitation rules and guidelines. Specified athletic activities are still not permitted. Close contact service providers, these are individuals such as barbershops, hair salons, nail salons, tattoo services, and the like. They may open, again subject to social distancing and sanitation rules and guidelines. And then lastly, Alabama beaches are open with no limit on gatherings but must maintain 6 feet of separation. Those are the changes, those are the new updates effective May 11th. However, with all of these, social distancing, sanitation guidelines, etc. are still expected to be adhered to. What stays the same? Individuals are encouraged to still stay home and follow good sanitation practices. That hasn't changed and probably won't change for a long time. Employers, so businesses may open subject to sanitation and social distancing guidelines. Certain high-risk businesses and activities still remain closed. Retail stores, and this goes for all retail stores, may open subject to 50% occupancy rate, social distancing, and sanitation rules. Entertainment venues such as nightclubs, theaters, and bowling alleys and the like are still closed. Medical procedures are allowed unless prohibited by the state health officer to preserve resources necessary to diagnose and treat COVID-19. Providers must follow COVID-19 related rules and guidance from state regulatory boards or public health authorities. Senior citizen centers, regular programming is still suspended except meals still available through curbside pickup or delivery. Schools are still closed. Child care facilities must not allow 12 or more children in a room, and hospital and nursing homes still must implement policies to restrict visitation. Those are the changes, and those are the things that stay the same with the amended Safer at Home order that is effective today, that was put into place by Governor Ivey. In the future, when these things change and when the governor has more proclamations and changes to the Safer at Home order, we will certainly put those out. If you have questions or concerns, please give us a call at 205-930-6900. Nomberglaw.com is our website. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to our channel as we put out videos all the time. As always, please be patient. Please use best practices and be safe.